Welcome to BIOS-iEngineer YouTube channel.
Today I present a device I developed, Trusted Platform Module version 2.0, designed for use with Chinese LGA 2011-3 platform motherboards. Trusted Platform Module technology is designed to provide hardware-based, security-related functions. A TPM chip is a secure crypto processor that helps you with actions such as generating, storing, and limiting the use of cryptographic keys. Many TPMs include multiple physical security mechanisms to make it tamper-resistant, and malicious software is unable to tamper with the security functions of the TPM. As I always said, due to the lack of any standardization in China, this TPM is designed for Machinist socket LGA 2011-3 motherboards with JLPC1 connector installed. But since it cannot be used for TPM in the form in which it exists on these boards, two additional signals must be supplied directly from the Nuvoton NCT5532D multi-controller. BIOS support is also required. I've created a BIOS for some models with TPM support and other neat features. This BIOS can be purchased on Patreon. I suggest purchasing production files that make it easy to order ready-made boards for self-assembly of TPM. To place an order, you need to register and upload the Gerber production file to the JLCPCB website. If desired, you can change the color of the solder mask. No other changes to the production file are possible. All necessary links in the video description below. For $2, you will receive 5 boards from the JLCPCB. Each country has a community where you can share the modules you assemble to reduce your manufacturing costs. But production files or BIOS files cannot be shared. Everyone must purchase them for themselves on Patreon. This is stated in the agreement and cannot be violated. Pay attention to connecting the module to the motherboard. TPM uses the JLPC1 connector. The missing 2 signals must be taken directly from the NCT5532D pins. A detailed diagram and live hack for soldering to the multi-controller pins are described in the guide to the production files. Also, all the necessary information is on the module PCB. How the idea of TPM 2.0 for the Chinese X99 became a reality, and why you can't share files from BIOS-iEngineer Patreon. Swede, where are you there? Come out. The German has come up with something.
Why are you shouting? You'll scare the fish in the sea.
Fish are not afraid of the Germans. We protect them with laws. Swede better give money to the poor German for the invention of the century.
Ooh, you know that the Swede is the poorest. Ask the King of Sweden about this, he will confirm. What did the German come up with?
German came up with something that no one else has.
Okay, here's my last bag of gold, which is destined for a German invention.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next videos.